Welcome to the Benteh STEAM Academy. My name is Isabelle, and today Sandy and I will be setting up our Glowforge Plus. This is going to be part 2 of our Glowforge series, so if you missed part 1, we'd recommend going back and watching that one first. Let's get started. When unboxing, you need to be very careful. Your Glowforge has a lot of fragile parts. Make sure your envelope or small bag is close at hand. We will begin removing the packaging inside your Glowforge and need to keep track of it all. Begin by removing the tape on the front of your Glowforge. Open the lid to remove the large foam blocks and save those with the other packaging materials. One of the foam blocks will contain the printhead. Keep close by. There are 2 screws below the laser arm that hold it in place during shipping. Those should be placed in the envelope. Next, find the pieces of tape at the center of the print arm. Very carefully remove the tape. This holds the printhead wiring, and we need to be very gentle with the electrical components. There is an orange block just below that can be removed by gently pushing down and out. The last 2 orange blocks are located on either side of the print arm. Gently guide the arm away from you and pull the blocks out to remove them. Save all of the small parts in the envelope. Gently push the printer arm to the back of the machine. Next, we will be inserting the crumb tray. Open the door at the front of your machine and carefully guide the crumb tray into the base. There is a rounded handle on the front of the tray and grooves along the bottom to guide it into place. Once the tray is set, close the bottom door at the front of the machine. Next, let's install the printhead. Before we begin, it is important to remember that there are lenses that allow the Glowforge to function properly. When we are installing the printhead, it is okay to touch the black metal portions, but do not touch the lenses. There is a small foam plug protecting the main lens. Gently pull to remove. Orient the printhead with the Glowforge logo facing up. Insert the wiring strip onto the port on the printhead. Guide the printhead toward the bracket and allow the magnets to hold it into place. It should be able to move freely, but be secured by the magnets. Ensure that the wiring strip is not turned or bent. It should gently fold over itself as the printhead moves. There are a few things to keep in mind as you are choosing the location of your Glowforge. We have included a fan and filter system that will need to be placed nearby, often on the floor below your Glowforge. The surface should be sturdy and level to ensure the Glowforge works properly. Make sure that there is access to a wall outlet, but should not be connected with an extension cord or power strip. Now that you have the Glowforge where you'll be using it, let's set up the exhaust and the filter system. Take a look at the back of our machine. Plug the power cord into the back of the machine. Then, the spring clamp should be placed around the foil exhaust tube. Squeeze the tabs to expand the clamp and place both over the exhaust port on the rear of the Glowforge. This can be a little bit challenging, so be sure to have a helping hand while doing this. Make sure that there is contact all the way around to keep the exhaust tube from falling off during use. And that's it for the setup. Now your Glowforge is ready to be connected to Wi-Fi, so make sure to stay tuned for more Glowforge videos like this. Thank you for joining us today at the Benteh STEAM Academy. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, keep creating!